Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to show you how to deploy a Laravel 11 application on a shared hosting server and how to show and how to upload images on shared hosting with Laravel 11. But before that, please subscribe and hit the like button for me. Okay, now let's create a new project. I'm using Laravel Herd. So let's just open sites and create a new website, basically a new project. We don't need any starter kit. It's going to be a very simple site, no fancy design or anything. We're just focusing on file upload and how to show the images on shared hosting. Let's name our project, in this case, demo. Let's open it in the browser. And here we have our brand new Laravel 11 project. Okay, now let's jump into the code. So open VS Code. Okay, so here we have this demo project inside the Herd folder. Let's open it. Okay, so first of all, let's create a model and controller for our application. Basically, we would like to upload images or any file, but in this case, we would like to upload images and show these images. So it's going to be a very basic, very basic few lines of code. This project, we will be able to upload images, and then after that we will deploy it immediately to the shared hosting. So let's open a terminal, and for that let's do a controller for this file upload. Let's call it image upload. And we would like the migration file, the controller, and resources for the controller as well. So that's why we use this flag MCR at the end. And as you can see, we have successfully created our model, our migration file, and our controller. Okay, so in the model, we need to allow our application to save data into database. Laravel protect us our mass assignment. So for that, we need to define the table field we would like to basically populate with data. And in our case, it's going to be our image path. This is the only thing we need at the moment. So if you go to the app, models, and image upload model. Okay, so this line of code we need right now. The only thing we would like to save in the database is the image path. You could save here, and you can define here like user ID, or you can like extension and file size and everything. You can save most of the thing here, but you need to define it here. Otherwise, your application not gonna work. Okay, so this is protected fillable image path. Okay, the next thing is our migration file. So let's go to the database, migrations, and you can see this image upload. And of course, when we create this table, we want to create a table for this entry. So basically, we want to create a table, a string table, and it's going to be called image path. Now, if I run PHP artisan migrate, we should see this table created. Okay, Laravel by default using SQLite, and to check my SQLite database, I using DB browser. Now I open it in this program. So open database, and inside the demo, inside our project, we have to go to the database, and you can see database.sqlite and open it. And now if you go to the browse data, you should see your image uploads. And here we have the image path as well. Now let's focus on the front end a little bit. We're just creating a file upload form. Very simple, very basic. So at the moment we have this welcome page. We can keep it and we duplicate it. So let's go to the resources views, and I create a new file here. Let's say file upload fileupload.blade.php. Let's copy from here everything and paste it here and delete the stuff from the page basically. Okay, so form gonna be displayed here. Now let's create a route, because at the moment we are not able to serve this file upload file. We have only route for this main page. So let's go to the routes web, and here we can create our routes. Basically we need two routes. One route for serving this file upload page, and one route for the post request. When we submit the form, we send our image to this post request, which will be handled by the image upload controller. Okay, so this is the route. We have a route get request / image upload. We would like to, if the user hit this endpoint, if this route, then we would like to go for the image upload controller and to the create method. Our image upload controller has to be imported. This class has to be imported. Okay, as you can see, we don't have any error now. Our class is imported, and this class is inside the app http controller controllers image upload controller. And as you can see, we want to go for the create method, which is here, and we would like to show this file upload.blade.php. So return. Okay, so at the moment, basically, we should be able to see this this form text if we visiting the image upload route. So / image upload. And yeah, we have this form text here. So now let's place the form here, which is going to be a very simple image file upload form. So let's go to the file upload and place our image upload here. Okay, on the route, we would like to hit the file upload. Let's check it again. Image upload. Okay, in the form action, we would like to hit the image upload route with the post request. And don't forget the enc type multipart / form data. You need it for the image upload, the file upload. And of course the CSRF token as well, which is necessary. Okay, and then we have the label image and the input field. Let's call it img. Type is going to be file and the submit button. Let's have a look in the browser. Okay, and it threw us an error because the route image upload is not defined as a post, because we have a post method here and image upload is not defined. So let's go back here. And now we would like to create a new route for this, which is gonna be not a get but a post. Same image upload, and we would like to hit the store method inside our controller. So we would like to go here to the store method. Okay, and now we need to name this route because we are using a named route here. So let's go back to the web and we need to say name. image upload, and now it should work. Yes, and we have the file upload. Very basic, very simple file upload. For just test this out, okay, so basically we are submitting a file here on the front end. We send it to the image upload post route, which is this one, post route image upload, and we are going to hit this store method, which is inside the controller file. So let's just test if it works. Okay, so if we upload a file, we should see works text on the screen. So submit any file, basically doesn't really matter. And it works. Okay, so now we can put our logic here to save our image to the server and to the database, the path. Okay, so basically it's a very simple, very easy to understand function. Basically we check our request and validate it, but we're not gonna be get a file. It's gonna we named it img, so it has to be same as the input field, file input field. So let's rename it in the controller here, img, and img here as well. Okay, so now we check if the uploaded file is image, and it has to be maximum 2 megabyte. After that, we get the file from the request form and we store it in this variable. So we get the request file image, and then we store it on a public disk uploads folder, this file. Laravel takes care the naming problem for us. It's gonna rename the file so it protects you from hackers. Basically, you can name your file if you want to uniquely by yourself, but Laravel by default it's gonna rename it. Okay, and now as you can see, we have a problem here. We use this storage class here. We need to import this at the top. Okay, so let's import this facade. Here you get it, storage, and now we can work with storage disk public. If you check the configuration config folder file systems, basically we're gonna use this place to store our image. Storage path app public, which is inside the Laravel folder structure. You can see we have this storage app and public. We don't have any uploads folder yet, but it will create an uploads folder by default when we run this. And then we need to save this image path to the database as well. So basically when Laravel save it to the server, then it gives back the path where it saved it, and then we need to save it in the database as well. After everything is finished successfully, we redirect the user with the message file upload was successfully. To show this message, we need to modify our front end a little bit. Okay, so to show the message, we need to check if there is any session message. If yes, then we show the message. And also I would like to show the uploaded images for you as well. So basically when we show this form, I need to check the database if there are any image, and if there are any image, then we for each loop that and we show it to the user. For that, I need to pass in this images variable from the controller here up here. Okay, first I need the images from the image uploaded, basically from the database. So I get all the saved data from the database, and then I have to pass into the view. Like this. Okay, everything should be ready to test our app. if it works. So basically now we should see, if we upload an image, we should see it will be in the storage app public. It will create an upload folder and we should see the image there. Okay, let's go back. Let's refresh. Select an image again. Submit. File uploaded successfully. Although we are not see it here, we should see it here because we are showing here all the images, so there must be some problem, but let's check it. First of all, let's check if we have any uploads file. Yeah, basically it's uploaded, but for some reason we are not able to see it, and the reason is on the front end I don't need the path. I would like to show the image path there. That's why we save our files. Let's check if we can see now the uploaded file, and yeah. Okay, now let's upload this project to the shared hosting server. I'm using Namecheap as a domain provider and a shared hosting cPanel provider. So I will navigate in cPanel on the shared hosting. But you can go for GoDaddy or any other service provider who provides you with shared hosting. It's everywhere going to be the same. Okay, so I just logged into my Namecheap account and I have this domain laratester.com, and at the hosting list I have one shared hosting for this domain, and I will control it from cPanel. So go to cPanel, and I have here the cPanel. Now I go to the file manager, and now I have to upload my Laravel project here. I will separate my Laravel project. I will upload the first part to the public HTML, everything inside my public folder in Laravel. I will upload it here. So let's just do it. Inside the demo folder, I have this public folder, and all of this has to be uploaded here. So the easiest way is just compress it to the zip file and upload it, because you have to upload here everything one by one. Demo public index zipped file. It's uploaded. Now we can extract it, close, and delete the zip file. Okay, and now all the other files, all the other folders has to be placed in a separate folder. So I just click on the home up here and create a new folder. I call it demo. You can call it whatever you want. It's your project name, basically. Call it as your project name. Create, and I will upload here everything else. We can delete it from our computer as well, this file. Let's select everything except the public. We don't need it here. And let's compress it, the zip file. And we are not able to compress it because our SQLite is used by DB browser. So let's just quit from this program and try again. Now it works. Okay, so we have this zip file. Let's upload it to the server. Step back. And here we have the compressed file. Let's upload it to the shared hosting server. Let's go back. And for me, sometimes it happens that not all the time appears here the zip file, even if I refresh it a couple of times. So in this case, I have to upload it a couple of more times. Okay, sometimes it takes longer, but as you can see, now it's uploaded, extracted. Right, now let's see what we can see on the front end. And we have HTTP 500 error. It's because our file is not served properly, you have to go to the public HTML index.php and let's edit it. And we need to define the folder where we placed all our Laravel files. In my case, is in the demo folder. Slash. So I have to do it 3 more times. Here and here. Save the changes. Hit refresh. And it works. Now we can go to the image upload. Or how did we call it? How did we name it? We named it image upload. Okay. So now we should be able to upload files. Okay, let's test this. Submit, it's loading. File uploaded successfully, but we are not able to see the file. And if we go and check our folders inside the demo, storage, app, public, uploads, we have 2 files now, but we are still not able to see it. And this is the problem, because usually if you upload your Laravel project, you create a symlink between this file and the public HTML, between this folder and the public HTML folder. But on the shared hosting, it's not that simple. The easiest way is just save the images in the public folder on shared hosting. And to do that, let's go to your Laravel project config folder and the file system. Let's edit this one. And at the public driver, just delete this storage path. Delete this public as well. And just use a dot and a slash. And that's it. Save it. This means inside the root folder, it will create an upload folder, because in our app, HTTP controllers, if you view it, when it uploads the image, it will put it in the uploads folder. Well, we don't have this folder in the public HTML, but it will create it and upload the file there. And after that, we should see the images as we expected. So let's just upload this pumpkin. And as you can see, we can see the images now. Submit, it's loading. And we can see our images. And if you check, we can close this. If you check the public HTML, now we have this uploads folder and we have the 2 images here. So now you can upload the image to the shared hosting and you can show the images on shared hosting as well. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. If it is, then please hit the like button for me. Thank you.